Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove an object from a video in CapCut PC using two methods. First, click on Import, then import the file you want to work with. Now drag the clip down into the timeline. Suppose I want to remove the switch from here. Now duplicate the clip by pressing Alt and dragging it to the upper layer. While selecting the second clip, go to Mask, then Add Mask. Take the rectangle mask from here. Resize the mask according to the object you want to hide. After resizing, place the mask on the wall area above. Now come back to the Basic tab to deselect the mask. Now we need to drag down the whole frame. Since we already have the correct mask size, click and hold on the screen and simply drag it down into position. Now the light switch looks hidden pretty well, but it is looking a bit odd and it glitches in front of the person when I play the video. Go back to the Mask tab, this will reselect your mask. Now drag this icon up to adjust the opacity of the mask. Drag it a little bit so that it blends well with the background wall. Now it looks perfect. If you still need to fine-tune the blend, you can go up to the Adjustment panel and tweak the saturation, exposure, or contrast. As you adjust those settings, the masked rectangle will change to better match the wall. For this video, I'm leaving everything at 0 because it already blends well enough, but you can tweak those values if your background needs it. Now let's solve the glitch problem. I'll duplicate the lower clip one more time to the top layer. With the top clip selected, I'll go back to the Video panel and choose Remove BG, then select Auto Removal. CapCut will process this for a moment, and once it finishes, we'll review the final result. Let's play the video from the start. The light switch is gone, everything blends well, and when the person walks past the wall, there's no strange reflection. Everything looks clean and natural. So, that is how you properly mask and remove an object from a video clip in CapCut PC. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides, and if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.